Hey guys, this is Mr. Zippo 177 and I'm going to be showing you how to make a Zippo. Sorry about the bad quality, my camera's food. Not a lighter, a Zippo. Okay, so first thing you want is a Tic Tac box, but make sure that Tic Tac box is empty. So after that you want to take all the stickers and that off like that, there you go, and just peel the sticker off. Doesn't matter, I'm going to do it all properly after. And then get a broken Zippo. This is just a cheap elf one, that's why it broke. Right, so take the insert out, and under this there should be loads of cotton and that. So put that in there, like that, nicely. Okay, just sort of bring it up a bit. Alright, the next thing you want to do is get a piece of tin foil and wrap it round the Tic Tac bit. And that should be alright now. Put it back on and 2 seconds, I'll try and bring it now. Get some deodorant or your light fluid, but I don't have my light fluid at this minute. Do that. Get a match and it should be ready to go. There you go. And then when you want to put it out, just do that. And that's been put out. Usually you put sellotape over this bit. But I'll do it again for you. Okay, there's a small flame there, look. Okay, so put that lid over. And that is your Zippo. Okay, and yeah, that is pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching.